What in the hell? Every once in a while when I'm sitting outside, I hear this strange noise. Sounds like a dog, cat, fox maybe, just screaming away. Hopefully it's picking that up. If you know what that noise is, and it picks it up and you can hear it, let me know what that is. So strange. I don't know, it could be a dog. Weird. If you know what that is, let me know, because that is weird.